Welcome back to Stories in Color. Today, let's draw a badger. This drawing is a little more difficult, so take your time and draw slowly. First, as always, let's start with the head and ears. Draw a rounded head shape. Add two small ears on top of the head. Badgers have short, simple ears. Now draw the snout and face. Add a long snout at the front of the head. Draw the nose at the end and a small mouth. The face is strong and serious. Next, draw two black patches around the eyes. Draw two long dark shapes going from the nose up past the eyes. These black patches form a frame around the eyes and are the most important detail of the badger's face. Add the body. Draw a long, low body under the head. Badgers are close to the ground and very strong. Now draw the legs and paws. Add short, powerful legs under the body. Badgers use these strong paws for digging. Next, we fill the drawing with dark color. Badgers are mostly dark, so color the body and legs in dark gray or black. Leave the face lighter to show the contrast. Badgers are excellent diggers. They can build large underground homes called sets with many tunnels and rooms. Finally, color the drawing. Use dark and light shades to make the badger look strong and realistic. Well done! You have drawn a powerful and clever badger. See you next time in Stories in Color, where even difficult drawings become fun stories. Please subscribe. Bye!